All right, we're keeping that elevated threat index today, even though we're in a bit of a break and will be for much of your afternoon. Things get firing again later on this evening, late afternoon, evening. And we have had some showers cruising through, although a lot of the heavier rain has since moved up into Ohio. Look at all the lightning around Cincy. They've had torrential rain towards Maysville. That's backing off a bit. Not a whole lot going on into our southeastern counties, but one look out west and you can see what's developing. A line of, at this point, strong to even a few severe storms embedded within that line around Evansville and dropping back towards Paducah. In fact, severe thunderstorm warnings, that's a tornado warning in that red polygon there, and as well, just to the northeast of Paducah, they've got a few severe thunderstorm warnings out west. That's where the better chance for severe weather will be today and tonight, but we'll have to deal with it as well. Big time snow, a blizzard warning up across parts of the upper Midwest, winter storm warning for parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's a blizzard warning. Dakota's dropping down into northern Iowa. It is frigid up there, but we're still far enough south and we're ahead below, I should say, a warm front. So we're stuck in this very Springfield-y forecast. We've got our marginal risk for severe storms today. There's the slight risk right where we're seeing some of those warnings in that line of storms right now. Notice how it drops off as you head east. That'll be the trend with the line tonight, weakening as it heads east, but still potentially packing a punch early on. They've dropped southeastern Kentucky from the flood watch. We're still in on it in the bluegrass through 1 a.m. and here it comes, the line. Rolling through Louisville by late afternoon and then into this evening. We'll see it punching into the bluegrass. This would be our best window of opportunity to see some storms that could produce some stronger wind gusts, damaging wind gusts. Then it'll weaken, but still throw quite a bit of wind and rain in the eastern counties. A little hint of a mix, a few snow showers, indication of that colder air on the move overnight tonight. It is going to get cold. Quarter inch of rain early this morning. They've had over 1.25 inches in London, and two-day rainfall totals via the Kentucky Mesonet, Taylor County. It's had over 2 inches, almost 2.5 inches of rain in spots. So that'll ramp up again tonight as this next round comes through. It'll be the final round. But look what the temperatures are doing. It's 71 in Monticello, 63 in Lexington. We have a wind advisory out due to the potential for 40-mile-per-hour gusts or higher, and we've already seen that in Bowling Green. They've had a 41-mile-per-hour gust. But it's a south to southwesterly wind, so it's cranking up the warmth. We didn't hit our record high yesterday. I think we've got a good chance of doing it today. Upper 60s to low 70s, and we're there. And we're looking like we could get into the low to even mid 70s. Strong, warm surge with that wind gust. But look at this. Tonight, dropping down to the low 40s. That's a front right there. Tomorrow morning, we'll have temperatures in the 20s and only make it back to around freezing for the high. And look at this. The wind chill tomorrow morning could be in the single digits Friday morning. That is a huge drop over the next 24 hours. And it's going to be a stormy transition as well. So some time this afternoon without a whole lot going on. And then by late afternoon, early evening, we'll have a round of showers, some strong to even borderline severe storms tracking from west to east and then out of here. And then the cold replaces it. Don't anticipate much in the way of wintry weather, but we got a whole lot of cold coming our way this weekend. Temperatures around freezing for highs tomorrow and Saturday. Bouncing back next week, but not by much. 40s and a big wet, at times wintry mess heading our way.